Hey there, I'm Troy Sessions. Thanks a lot for coming here and checking out the Alaska Execution System. Most people come to Alaska not prepared, not knowing where to go. They pick locations randomly, and even worse, they rely on transporters, put them into locations so they can be successful, not realizing that transporters, over 95% of them, are not even hunters. Most Alaska hunting educators are basically websites, forums, which are really kind of sketchy when it comes to information because they have sponsored guests and ideas that are interjected into the forums, none of which are experienced in jet boat hunting in Alaska in remote wilderness conditions, flying bush planes across the wilderness of Alaska. I teach repeatable systems that help you navigate rivers, use jet boats, and really understand how to figure out and structurally on a Google Earth use and find excellent hunting locations. This kind of information is what I have learned over 30 years as a pilot with my own airplane, and going into Google Earth and realizing that the same structures over and over and over and over have produced and continually produce high levels of success for not just being successful, but 60, 70-inch bulls every single year. Over 30 plus years of actually jumping into my own jet boats, jumping into my own airplane, planning my Alaska system, hunting systems, and actually being as successful as I have been over the years. Hi, I'm Troy Sessions. I have lived in Alaska over 30 years. I'm a federally licensed bush pilot with my own airplane. I have bought and purchased virtually every Alaska hunting and fishing boat that you could possibly think of. All-Welds, jet boats, Phantom Sport Johns, Raiders, John boats, you name it. I've done it and used it, including 4 different types of airplanes. I've helped hundreds of hunters over the years get out there and be successful with this plan that you're looking at. The Alaska Execution System. It's my foundation course. Bottom line, I've already paid the price. I've done the work. I've done all the hunts and spent a lot of money to learn the system that I'm teaching you. I've already gone through the trial and error, so you don't have to. This is a repeatable system that you can use every single year and refine it. And I show you how to do that. This system compresses everything that I've learned into a repeatable system and is configured in such a way that you can actually look at it, digest it, and most importantly, you'll never forget it. This system puts into motion planning systems that you can use and repeat year after year. The goal is to be able to plan a hunt and refine it year after year and go back in just like I did with me and my buddies, and we would find another location that was just off of the location that we were at. You will refine all of this, and that's inside the system. So you don't need to take notes because it's going to go into a portal that you can rewatch for a long time. This system removes the guesswork, builds repeatable success. The system breakdown. Phase 1. Build your hunt around a budget and a comfort level that is specifically for you. Create a system that is actually executable and repeatable every single year. Phase 2, river system breakdown. How to read rivers and systems correctly. Eliminate zones that are not efficient and waste time. Phase 3, equipment and mobility strategy. Rafts versus jet boats. Load out your boat structure and gearing up your boat for the most precise and efficient way to run that jet boat on Alaska rivers. Mobility versus weight and the trade-off. What works and what doesn't work. Phase 4, camping and positioning. Where you camp determines your success and your opportunities. Positioning mistakes kills hunting success and almost plummets your probability for success. Focus on locations over comfortability. Phase 5 is execution and adaptation. Calling time versus staying or traveling to your next location. Adjusting to hunting pressure and conditions. Phase 6 is meat care and exit strategy. Field care priorities and getting home strategies with your meat. The tools that are included in this Alaska Execution System: Google Earth Scouting System, GMU Selection Simplified, Backup Planning System, These are designed to cut your planning time in half and repeat it year after year. Before this course, you are simply relying on a wing and a prayer that your transporter will put you into a location without even knowing how to hunt themselves. After the system, you will have a repeatable hunting strategy tailored to your comfort level and skill level for Alaska hunting, because I've done it and I know exactly what you need. Second guessing decisions and being dropped blind into locations that you didn't even know existed, and you still don't know once you've been dropped off on the ground by your transporter. After this course, you'll have a structured plan, clear priorities, and ability to adapt in the field. You will know what to do next. You will know what's going on, and if it's slow, you're going to know how to use moose hunting strategies to better up your game in the field during real-time hunts. The reality check is this isn't for anybody. You've got to be able to put in the time and effort into this. This is not a quick fix. This is a strategy that you want to implement and have in place before you ever even jump into the plane and fly to Alaska, and certainly before you get into your transporter or your boat and head out into the wilderness. It's also not an easy fix. If you're expecting an easy fix, this isn't it. This is a tried and true repeatable system that you got to put the time and effort in. Bottom line is a single failed hunt, which nobody wants, on average costs between $7,000 and $40,000. Over a lifetime, that could be over $100,000 to $300,000. This system is designed to eliminate all of that. Not to say that you can't come home empty-handed, but with this system, you come home, if you were to come home empty-handed, you still own the boat, you still own the rafts, and you still own most everything. Whereas with a guide or a transporter, if you have a failed hunt, you come home without the $7,000 or $30,000 that you spent. Bottom line is, I can show you testimonies of Cody Draper killing a Boone and Crockett animal and his buddy Ryan killing another Boone and Crockett animal on the same hunt. I can show you where this client killed a 74-inch bull and this client here killed a 65-inch bull. But if you're not willing to put the time and effort into learning this kind of a system, jumping into something like this course, it's going to be for nothing. You got to put the time and effort in. If you're ready to pull the trigger, click the link below, take the assessment. We'll go over it and see if you're a good fit for the program. Take care. God bless.